Hello everyone. I am Abhay, and we are discussing the Codeforces round 7-3, Division 3, and the videos for the video editorials for the almost rectangle and the spy detected, which is A and B, are out. You can check into my channel, and and now we are going to discuss AB Palindrome. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, do hit the subscribe button. And we also host the virtual almost daily whenever the rated contest is not there on Codeforces or any of the other platforms. So if you want to participate, do join the Telegram channel, link in the description. Let's move on to problem C, which is AB palindrome. In this question, we are given a string consisting of 0, 1 and question mark only, and we have to replace all the question mark either with 0 or 1, and and we have to make that palindrome. And there is a condition that the string can only contain exactly A zeros and exactly B ones. So now the question is whether we can form it. If we can form it, then we have to print that palindromic string. Otherwise, we have to print -1. And the other here is an example like 0, 1, other question marks and 0, and A is equal to false. That is means we can there will be 4 zeros and B equal to 4. That is there will be 4 ones. So these are the possible strings. After seeing this, the pros comes into mind. Like I will discuss on this example. Let's go through this. Like here is a 0, 1. Here is a question mark. 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 Here is a question mark, and here is a 0. I guess right. This is the correct 5 question marks. 0, 1, 0. So yeah, how can we proceed with this question is, I will checking from the first and the last. If these both are same, I will move on. If these both are not same, that is like here one question mark, I will check for the I will make, if both are not same, and I will make the question mark equal to 1 and decrease the count of B, because B stands for 1 and A stands for means A is a count for zeros. How many zeros will be there? So I will make this question mark 1. If now move on, if both are question mark, so what I will do is I will not do anything, but I will decrease the count. Like I will decrease both A and B. Like it can be anything, like it can also be A, it can also be B. So for like if any of them, I will not decrease both. If any of them is positive, like A is more than 0 and B of more than 0, if any of them is available, then I will decrease that count. So here let's suppose I have did 1, placed 1. So here both are question mark. So till now I have used 4 ones and I have the A equal to 4. So now I have A equal to 0, means I can't use A now. So when I have these two question marks, at this position I have A equal to 0 and B equal to 2, because there are 2 zeros already and we have to use 2 zeros more, and because of the question B equal to 4, that is there in total there will be 4 zeros. And but now 2 zeros are already present and we have condition we can only use 2 zeros. So when again I will get 2 question marks, then I will check whether A is more than 0. If not, if either B is more than 0, if yes, more than, I will definitely check for more than 1, because I have to place two digits, means count of two ones or 2 zeros. If B is more than 1, that is 2. So definitely I will do B minus equal to 2, decrease B minus minus by 2 and place both zeros here. So here this is the approach. Like we will check from the first and last if both are same, and we have the sufficient A and B to place in it. So at this only we have to implement in this question. I received wrong answers twice. It can be possible that there are edge cases which are not passed in the first case. I consecutively get 2 wrong answers. Then what I did is I completely erased my code and rewrite the code again, because I am in the second time I just, because the code is so complicated, like I've made too many conditions and I am debugging it, so it made me hectic. So because I have the logic is clear in my mind, so I just erase the code and build the code again, and yeah, it gives me accepted. So how I build the code again is, what I did is I taken the first inputs of a and b and then the string, and here n is the size of string. Definitely it would be a plus b at initial, and the z is a count for zeros and o is a count for 1. And for initially I will count the zeros initially and ones initially present in the string. If yes, if both are definitely if zeros present in the strings are more than the desired zeros which should be present, so answer will be -1 because it not can't be possible. So yeah, at then what I will do is I will delete the present zeros. So now a and b consists of the only numbers, only the number of zeros which we now need. So what then I am traversing through half for a string, and definitely I will check for, I'm going this and I will checking for this last value from the first and the last. So for if the current one is question mark and the last one is also question mark, I will definitely continue, and because I will handle that case at last, that means I will decrease both of count and make any of them equal with the possible a's and b. And yeah, so if current is question mark and I found at last equal to 1, so I will decrease the count by b and make this question mark equal to 1, like I am making the question mark equal to last value, that is 1. And if it is not 1, it means it should be 0, then I am making this one, that is question mark equal to 1. So at this, and else, in the else case, that is current one is not question mark, then current can be 1 0, 1 and 0 only. So what I am doing is, if the current one is 0 and the end one is question mark, so yeah, if the end one is question mark, if the current one is 1, then I am making the last one equal to 1, else I am making the last question mark equal to 0, like here. Like this is the opposite case of this, in this case if 1. And if any of them is not equal, like the current one is also not question mark and it is not equal to the ending one, means it will be the case like here, like I am having the string 0 1 0 1, it is also the test case, like these both are not equal and these both are no, either of them no are question mark. So definitely in this case we will get a -1 because this can't make a palindromic string. And here I have, after these all conditions, and any of the point I get a less than 0, that's because we can only make put only a zeros and b ones if any of the count become -1, that is scores in a negative less than 0, means we have used the external ones or zeros which should be which can't be used. So definitely the answer will be 1, that is we can't form the string, palindromic string at that case. So at last, now our task is to fill the question marks which we have make them empty. Like if both are question mark, continue, and if both are question mark, if yeah, here I have not deal with the case. Yeah, if both are question mark, then we have to continue. And here is a point where I am dealing with that case. If I found the question mark, so if yeah, here I've checked if a is more than 1, that is 2 or more than 2, then I will make both zeros. If a is not more than 1, definitely it should be b more than 1, then I will make both 1. If neither of them are more than 1 and current is question mark, means we can't have neither a nor b, so we can't convert the question mark in any of the zeros and ones, so definitely our answer will be 0 or -1, because we can't form the palindromic string, that is we are having the empty question mark. So at last, and here is the case, I am handling the middle value. If middle value is question mark, I will place 0 or 1 if according to the a more than 0 or b more than 0. So yeah, at last I will print the string s, because after doing all the operations and all the cases handling like which one is -1, I have converted the full string into the palindromic string and printed the desired answer. So this was the problem B. So for the problem D and E, I will upload the editorial for the next problem also. And if you are having any doubt in the problem C, do ask in the comment section. I will definitely reply to that and solve the problems. So yeah, happy coding. Thanks.